Okay, where are we at today, Jenny?
We're back at the house. We're waiting for Pierre, the tile guy, because we switched our mind for the tiles.
Oh, we got some new
Maybe.
stuff to show you. Yep.
I mean, Pierre is so passionate about his tiles that he actually wants to come to our house. He's like, let me come to your house and see the house.
Yeah. Give us some advice.
He's like, I'll tell you what you should do. Okay. That's the view. And this is where we're going to turn this little garage into a gîte.
Well, it's not a garage.
It's
so...
a shed. This used
there he is.
Voila!
It's completely flat. It's not
Yeah,
I know.
exactly.
That's what we said.
I've seen
I think
such a perfection.
I heard someone said that it was like a roll
Yeah.
with so they roll the material on and then they roll it back up and it's just a print.
Yes, it looks like.
Yes.
It looks like, but it is not.
It's not.
Because you can see here, it's terracotta.
Ah,
And here it's concrete. So it's terracotta.
okay.
It's real terracotta. It looks like a film.
It
and
does.
It is not.
Okay. Can it be repolished?
Perhaps. Perhaps.
Because I feel like it needs a coating on there so that it doesn't get dirty again. You see what happens over here?
I don't understand how it is. That.
I know, it's bizarre.
I don't understand either.
They must have polished it.
Let's see how
they
it's.
must have grinded it. But it's really, I really don't know.
And look at this one. Look at this one tile here.
Yeah.
Look at this. How it's a different color here of all the others.
I think that's just stripped.
No. It's some. I think it was replaced. You see how?
Yes,
how
yes.
here?
It has been replaced. Yes. It has been replaced. Yeah. And the concrete is not exactly the same.
Right.
And
And you see over here we have a spot that I'd like to fix if you could figure it out. But you see what happened here? I don't know what happened.
Yeah, that's strange.
perhaps it has a poil.
Maybe. I don't know.
Something like that.
You never see before though, huh?
No. I've never seen such a thing. It is possible to. It's possible to do the same
Okay.
than it with tiles and cut. We have to take the draw and cut tiles that got really flat.
And then over here we have a little damage as well.
It's completely crazy, the floor.
Little
I
damage.
don't understand what you want. What you want to keep it.
Right? It's
Yeah.
unique.
It's a difficulty because it's really.
It's strange. It's very strange.
It's not far from being too perfect. It's and for the age of that building, I've never seen such a flat floor.
Yeah.
I think they must have
Polished?
greened it. And
Yes.
after that, polished it, and perhaps had a chemical. How we call it a cristallisation en français.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what it is exactly.
So
But it's
bizarre.
something. It seems to be exactly the same product here and here, and it is not. It's earth. It's concrete. It's too flat to be like. I don't know. I really don't know. I've never seen such a thing.
Yeah, and you see here?
Okay. Yeah.
See, there's the terracotta, right?
Yeah. What I would do is you cut here.
Okay.
You cut here. You put a wood, a piece of wood,
Yes.
and a part of it will be hide,
Right.
and the other part have to be created again with other tiles. It's possible to do that. Huh? It's a long time to do one because it have to be cut
Yes.
properly, and it's a cost. It's a cost.
Everything's a cost.
Yeah.
Would you save it or would you just do new tile over the whole thing? It's very difficult to.
You can't take it off and replace.
You cannot take it off.
Yeah.
You have to leave it and then put something on top.
No, you can't take them out and restore it and put it in again. It's not possible to do that. But what you can do, yes, when you.
You like it or no? You hate it?
I dislike normally those floors,
Okay.
but I'm completely estomaqué de.
He's dumbfounded
Yeah,
by it.
yeah.
He doesn't understand. He's intrigued.
So like we can
Yes,
clean.
and because of it, perhaps I would keep it.
Yeah, it's unique.
Yes, I understand what you mean when you say that it belongs to the flat. It belongs to the flat, of course.
And the doors too. The doors.
Yeah.
This was this was not a room.
Yeah.
This was outside. It was a garden.
Okay.
So these went to the garden,
Okay.
and you see they're all handmade. All handmade.
Okay.
I don't like
Well
them.
done.
And I didn't want to lose those either. You know, you make them white,
Yeah.
like the ceilings.
Yeah.
I think it would look very nice.
I agree with him about one thing.
About one thing.
Either you paint it in white,
Yeah.
Yeah.
or you use a brush, a hard brush, to find la fibre.
The original.
The grain.
To take out the soft wood and keep the hard wood.
Okay.
And it will be hurt. It will be interesting, but it will be interesting with that.
Yeah.
But less interesting with that. So because of it, perhaps the white the
Good
white
mix.
will be the easiest thing to do and perhaps the prettiest.
Okay.
But it's a point of view always. It's
Yeah.
It's always a question of task. I love the flat. In fact, I was wondering when you show me
The pictures?
the pictures and the map, so that it's pitches. It's quite
Strange.
strange. So small rooms
Yeah.
in a
It
flat
doesn't-
which is not so old, and in fact it's interesting. I love outside. I love
Yes.
inside. It's really a mixture, and
But you see what we want to do? Like you said, you love history and old. So I want to recreate this in a way, in the old manner, like Teddy's going to do. Yes, and I don't mind having different floors because you walk into each room and maybe it's different centuries each room.
Yeah.
And I know.
Because
it's-
also the rooms are kind of separated,
yeah,
so you could do different floors because there's like you see how you can't see that hallway there?
what hurt me is that
Yeah.
that's
that hurts him.
Yeah.
but it's me.
Yeah.
It's me. And another thing which hurt me.
The wide. Yeah, I know. That hurts me more.
I don't mind.
But it's like that. I think that you don't have to look for the perfection.